Hi there, and welcome at Smully Art. This video is the second episode of my Artist Tribute series, a series where I pay tribute to my favorite artists. In the first episode you saw me pay tribute to 1000 where I redrew one of his pieces, and for this second episode I chose the painter Edvard Munch, who is mostly known for his painting The Scream, so let's have a look.
The Scream is a popular name given to a painting created by Norwegian expressionist Edvard Munch in 1893. The original title given by Munch to his work was The Scream of Nature. The agonized face in the painting has become one of the most iconic images of art, seen as symbolizing the anxiety of the human condition. Munch recalled that he had been out for a walk at sunset when suddenly the setting sunlight turned the clouds a blood red. He sensed an infinite scream passing through nature.
Well, I'm not planning to redraw this painting in my own style, no, I think I have a much better idea. I thought it could be interesting to draw what this character is so afraid about, what is he looking at? So let's turn around the camera and let's start drawing.
When I was thinking about what horrendous character I would draw, I saw in my YouTube analytics that my drawing Garfield in a creepy way videos were getting some attention again. Those videos were inspired by the subreddit community imsorryjon, a community on Reddit dedicated to depicting Garfield as an abomination. So I thought, what if the character on the painting is John, who looks at Garfield, who has turned into a zombie-like monster. So here we go. This will be my third contribution to the imsorryjon page on Reddit. Let's make the creepiest Garfield I've ever drawn.
Okay, the rough sketch is done, I have my basic idea on paper here, so let's break out the pencils to finish these lines and to add more details. Now that the pencils are done, it's time to kick this drawing into the last phase, and that is... thinking time. Here we go. Well, that's it for this week's video. I hope you guys liked my tribute to Edvard Munch and also the little reference to Garfield. I for sure had a lot of fun drawing this piece, and if you guys liked the video, why not hit the like button, subscribe if you aren't already, and hit the bell to be notified when I put out new videos. It's every Friday, a great way to start your weekend. And if you know somebody in your surroundings, a family member or a friend who would like to see these kinds of videos as well, please don't hesitate to share. That wraps up this week's video. We will see each other again next Friday. Bye!